Fine. So we were doing third word problem, right? Okay. Yeah, children. So now listen. We'll start now. The question was Akash sold 32 kites in the morning and he sold 6 more kites in the evening. So there's one boy, Akash. He sold 32 kites in the morning. In morning, he sold 32 kites. And in evening, he sold how many kites? 6 more kites, okay? So now they are asking how many kites did he sell in all? And now again, see here children, in all word is there. This means we have to do addition. We have to do addition. So we will add these two numbers together. So you have to add here 32 and 6 together, right? Ronald, you tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
2 plus 6.
2 and 6. Okay, so Ronald, now tell me 2 plus 6 how much?
6, 7, 8.
Yeah, children, 2 plus 6 is 8. So we will write here 8 in ones place. And Ronald, what we will write in tens place? Ronald, what is the number in tens place?
3.
Yeah. See here, children, there is no other number in tens place.
Go to book.
Yes, there is one number that is 3. So we will write that 3 as it is. So answer is 3, 8, 38. So in this blank space also, we will write this answer 3, 8, 38. Veda said properly. So in this blank space, we will write the answer 3, 8, 38 children, okay? Yeah. Write this. So now we'll move to next one. This is question number 4 children and this is on page number 73. Page number 73. Now the question is, there are 22 oranges. How many oranges are there? There are 22 oranges and 7 pears with a fruit vendor. There is one fruit vendor. He has 22 oranges and 7 pears. Now they are asking how many fruits are there in all with him. Again, this in all word is there. This means again we have to do addition. So we have to add these two numbers and these two numbers are 22 and 7. 22 and 7. Janvi, tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
2, 7.
Yes, 2 and 7. So now Janvi, tell me 2 plus 7 how much?
9.
Yes, 2 plus 7 is 9 children. So we will write here 9 in ones place. And what we will write in tens place, Janvi?
2.
Yes. There is only one number in tens place, that is 2. We will write that 2 as it is. So answer is, Janvi answer.
29.
Yes. See children, so answer is 2, 9, 29. This means 22 plus 7 is equal to 29. Thus, the fruit vendor has 29 fruits in all. So, fruit vendor has how many fruits? 29 fruits in all. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? No? Fine. So, I'll have cleared all this. Now, children, do one thing. We'll do practice of this addition. So, I want you all to take out your math notebook. Take out your notebook, write date and classwork in your math notebook, children, quickly. Take out your notebook, children, write date and classwork in your math notebook. We will do practice of these additions. These addition. Okay, questions are there. We will solve these questions. Okay. and we will try to solve these questions by counting forward, okay? Yes, children, take out your math notebook, write date and classwork in your math notebook. Write fast. After writing date and classwork, children, you all have to leave one line. You all have to leave one line, and then you have to write down this first question. Children, write down these questions in your notebook. And do one thing, listen to me. Note down only first 8 questions. Only first 8 questions you have to note down, okay? No need to note down all the questions, children. First note down 8 questions only. This one, 32 plus 28. The next one is 30 plus 36. And children, remember that in one box you will write only one number. In one box you will write only one number. And leave some boxes between every 2 questions. Veda, start writing. You, and again I'm repeating, children, you just have to note down only first 8 questions. Okay? Yes, Veda?
Ma'am, I have. Right already, ma'am, this one.
All these 8 questions you have noted down. Show me your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I am opening the page. Ma'am.
Veda, this you have to do in your notebook. What I am sharing and what are you showing? I said you have to note down these questions in your notebook. I am sharing my screen, no? Please take out your math notebook and write down these questions in your notebook. And children, again I am repeating, only first 8 questions you have to write down. Only first 8. No need to copy all these questions. First we will finish these 8 questions and then we will move to other questions. And I'll see who is writing. Aran, start writing. Children, first note down the questions only. Then we will write the answers. Sai, Ritik and Mayuri, please turn on your camera and I want to see whether you people are writing or not. Yes, children, everyone please. Yeah, and write down fast. Only these questions you have to note down. And do not forget to put this plus sign. Mayuri, turn on your camera. Ayan, Kovit, Ansil, Bhanu, turn on your cameras, please. Yes, children, again I'm repeating, just note down first 8 questions. That is, you have to note down till here. Last one should be 31 plus 45. You can solve these questions later on. Just note down these questions. Hanvik, first please note down these questions. Yes, children, note down these fast. I'll give you 1 more minute time, okay, and then we'll start. Yes. Okay, I think now you all have finished writing these questions. So I'll ask you one by one now. Yes. Okay, so we'll start with this first one. So your first question is, children, and you all should know how to read this. You have to read this 2-digit number together. Siddharth, look at your screen. And I request everyone, please look at your screen. Now see here, children, your first question is 30 plus 28. How you will read this? You have to read these 2-digit numbers. That is the number in ones place and tens place together. So the first question is 30 plus 28. Okay. So now first, okay. So we'll start adding the number in ones place first. We'll start adding the number in ones place first. Okay. So in ones place, you all can see numbers are 0 and 8. Numbers are 0 and 8. And if you are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change, children. What I said, whenever we are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change, because 0 means nothing in addition. 0 means nothing in addition. So if you are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. This means 0 plus 8 is 8. Okay. So we will write 8 here in ones place. Fine. Again, I'm repeating. If you are, Ronald said properly, if you are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. So this means 0 plus 8 is 8, children. Now you have to add the number in tens place. So now in tens place, numbers are 3 and 2. So now see here, children, what we have to do is, one way is, you can, the first number is 3, you can draw here 3 lines, and your next number is 2, you will draw here 2 lines, and then you can count all those lines together. Fine. This way also you can get the answer. And other method is, I have told you that you can add numbers by counting forward. So what you have to do is, children, see here, you have to see what is the first number is 3, right? So what we will do, we will start counting after our first number. So your first number is 3. You will start counting after 3, and you will count forward how many? You will count forward 2, because your down number is 2. This means 3 plus, after 3 count forward 2. After 3 it will be 4 and 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5, children. So you will write here 5. Your answer is 5858. Answer is 5858, children. Okay, so you will write this answer. Now second one, Siddharth. और छौंकी हुई मिर्च भी है कढ़ाई में, घड़े के पास छौंकी हुई मिर्च रखी है. Siddharth, now tell me answer for second question. 0 plus 6, how much?
0 plus 6 into 0 plus 6.
Yes. If, yeah. Children, if we are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. So 0 plus 6 is 6. Very good. And 3 plus 3?
4.
Wrong.
6.
Yes. 3 plus 3 is
6.
6. So answer is 6, 6, 60. 6. Answer is 6, 6, 66. Okay. Now next question. Tanvi Sri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read this question. Tanvi Sri, third question. What is that question?
23 plus 70 70.
Very good. This is 23 plus 70. Okay, Tanvi Sri, now tell me 3 plus 0 how much?
3.
Yes. Very good. So children, 3 plus 0 is 3. Why? Because if you are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. And 2 plus 7?
9.
Yes, very good. So 2 plus 7 is 9 children. So answer is?
30.
No.
93.
Yeah. Answer is 93. Very good, Tanvi. Dhruti, now
Yes,
you read.
ma'am.
Yeah, Dhruti, read question number 4. Read that question. Yes. Read this question. You have to read these numbers in ones place and tens place together. Yeah.
3.
Tell me.
3.
No, you have to read this question. No, I told you have to read the number together. 3, 3,
33.
33. Then
Plus
yes, plus.
46.
Very good. So this is 33 plus 46. Now you have to add number in ones place. So in ones place, numbers are 3 and 6. So 3 plus 6, how much? Start.
9.
Yeah. Start counting after 3 children and count forward 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Very good. And 3 plus 4, how much?
7.
Yes. 3 plus 4 is 7. Very good, Dhruti. So answer is 7, 9, 70. 9. Answer is 7, 9, 79 children. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so now next question. Ketan, read next question. Ketan.
1. 16.
Yes.
2.
No, who will read this?
1. 16.
16. Then?
3. 2. 32.
Oh, no. What about this symbol? This symbol you will not read.
Plus
Yeah, 16 plus
16 plus
plus next
3.
number.
2. 32.
Yeah, so question is 16 plus 32. So now Ketan, tell me 6 plus 2 how much? Start counting after 6 and count 2 forward. Yeah. 6 plus 2 after 6.
7.
Wrong.
8.
Huh?
7. 8.
So what is the answer?
8.
Yeah. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Very good. And 1 plus 3 how much? Start counting after 1 and count 3 forward. After
1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.
Not 5.
4, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to count forward only 3 after 1. So answer is 4, 8, 40.
Yes.
Yeah, children, answer is 4, 8, 48. Now it's correct. Ananya, you read next question. Ananya, unmute yourself and read the next question, Ananya.
Yes, 51.
Yeah, so this is 40 plus 51. Now, Ananya, tell me 0 plus 1, how much?
1.
Very good. If you are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. And 4 plus 5, how much?
9.
Very good. 4 plus 5 is 9. So answer is
91.
that's the correct answer. Very good, Ananya. Arhan Mohammed, unmute yourself and read the next question. Yeah, read this question, Arhan.
0 plus
Huh? Arhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Arhan, please speak loudly and read the question.
0 plus 4 equal to 4. 4 plus 3, 74.
Okay, Arhan, I heard the answer. That is 74. That's correct. So, children, question is 40 plus 34. So, first we will add the number in ones place. So, 0 plus 4 is 4, children. So, we will write the answer here 4. And 4 plus 2 is 7. So, answer is 7474. Answer is 7474. So, write this answer in your notebook. And then we will move to next question. Bhanu, read the question. Bhanu, read next question.
31 plus 45. Idi.
Yes, Bhanu.
31
Yes.
plus 45.
Okay, so question is 31 plus 45. Good. Now tell me 1 plus 5 how much?
6.
Very good. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 3 plus 4?
7.
Very good. So answer is?
76.
Answer is?
76.
76.
Yes. So answer is 7676. That's the correct answer. Yes, children. Note down next 4 questions. This is 76. Okay. Write down next 4 questions, children. In your notebook. This is 11 plus 57. Veda, please sit down. Next 55 plus 30. Then 31 plus 46. And the last one is 34 plus 21. Okay. So what we are doing, we are adding a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Right? Note down these 4 questions. Ansel Raj, read this next question. Ansel Raj? Ansel, are you there? Not there. Mayuri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Mayuri, now read this question.
1 plus 7. 1 plus 5. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, Mayuri.
1 plus 7.
See, Mayuri,
1,
you
2,
have to read
3.
these numbers together. We always read a 2-digit number together. So this
Okay,
is, yeah, so this is 1, 1.
7,
No, Mayuri, listen.
8, ma'am.
Mayuri, you are telling me the answer. I asked you to read the question. So this is 1, 1.
1, 1, 11.
Yes, 1, 1, 11. Then the symbol
Plus
plus, and then
5, 7, 57.
yes, now it's correct. So the question is 11 plus 57. Now it's correct, Mayuri. Okay, so now Mayuri, tell me 1 plus 7 how much?
1 plus 7, 8.
Very good. So children, 1 plus 7 is 8. So we will write 8 here.
5 after 9.
Okay, and next number 1 plus 5 how much?
6, ma'am.
Yes, 6, correct. So answer is 6, 8.
68 ain't it?
68.
Very good, Mayuri. Now it's correct. So children, answer is 6, 8, 68. That's the correct answer. Yes, children. So now, next question. Ayansh, unmute yourself and read the next question, Ayansh. Ayansh, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yeah, now read the question.
Ma'am, 55 plus 30.
Yeah. So question is, children, 55 plus 30. Okay, Ayansh, now tell me 5 plus 0, how much?
5.
Yes, children, if you are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Very good. And 5 plus 3, how much?
8.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we will write 8 here. So now read this number together, Ayansh, and tell me, this is?
85, ma'am.
Yes, that's the correct answer. Children, answer is 8585. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Okay, children, give me 1 minute, okay? By the time you solve these last two questions, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so children, will do these last two questions also. Yeah, Veda, you read next question, Veda.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Veda, you need to unmute yourself. Sai Ritvik, I'll come back to you. Just wait, huh? Veda, unmute yourself quickly. Yeah, now read the question. Veda, unmute yourself. Okay, then I'll ask someone else. Ansel Raj, you unmute yourself and read the question.
Yeah.
Yes, Ansel, read this question.
84.
Ansel, I said read this question. This one, second last. 3, 1.
8, 3, 1, 31.
31, then
46.
you have to read the symbol also. Which symbol?
5.
Ansel, which symbol? Yeah, so this is 31 plus 46. 31 plus 46. So Ansel, now tell me 1 plus 6, how much?
47.
1 plus 6, how much, Ansel? Start counting after 1 and count forward 6. Take out your 6 fingers, Ansel. Show me your 6 fingers. Ansel, just move back little bit and then show your 6 fingers. I cannot see your 6 fingers. Only 5 fingers I can see. Ansel, move back a little bit. Now show your 6 fingers. Yeah. Now start counting after 1. After 1, what will come?
2. 2.
Close this finger. 2. No, Ansel. Start counting after 1. No? So 1 by 1, close your fingers. After 1, what will come? Show your 6 fingers first. Yeah. What will come after 1?
2.
2, then 3. Now 4. Speak. 5. Speak, Ansel.
6.
6. And then
6.
1 more is left. How much?
6.
No.
8.
Wrong. Ansel, I said start counting after 1. Show your 6 fingers again. Show me your 6 fingers again. Yeah. Now start counting after 1. What comes after 1?
2.
2, 3. Then now count 4. Speak.
5.
Yeah.
6.
Wrong. Again wrong. That's wrong, Ansel. Start counting after 1.
1, 2.
Wrong. I said after 1. What comes just after 1?
2.
Then why you are closing your finger before speaking 2?
2.
No, Ansel. That's wrong.
1.
Why are you counting from 1? I said start counting after 1. After 1. What comes just after 1?
2.
So now, count from 2. Say 2 and then close one finger. No, wrong. Ansel, you do one thing. Take out one finger. Yeah, and now take out 6 more fingers. 6 more fingers. 1 and 6 more.
1. 2.
No, 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 that's wrong. That's wrong. Sai Ritvik, you unmute yourself and tell me 1 plus 6 how much?
7.
Okay. So children, 1 plus 6 is 7. What you all have to do is, Ansel, listen to me very carefully. What we have to do is, you have to start counting after 1 and you have to count forward 6. Do not count from 1. You have to start counting after the first number. So your first number is 1 here. So start counting after 1. So you will start counting from 2. So 1 plus 6 is 7. And 3 plus 4, how much, Sai Ritvik? Sai Ritvik, 3 plus 4.
7.
That's the correct answer. 3 plus 4 is 7. So answer is 7, 7, 77 children. Answer is 7, 7, 77. Now last question is left. Arohi, you Ashrita, read this last question, Ashrita. Ashrita, read this question. Ashrita, read this last question.
26 minus 21.
What are you reading, Ashrita? This last question, see here. Last one, look at your screen. This one. Now read. This is 3, 4.
34.
34.
Plus
Yes, 34 plus
21.
Yeah, 34 plus 21. Okay, now fine. So Ashrita, 4 plus 1, how much? Start counting.
5.
Yeah, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we will write 5 here in one's place. Okay, and now 3 plus 2, how much? Start counting after 3 and count forward 2.
3, 5,
Yeah. 3 plus 2 is 5. So answer is, what is the answer, Ashrita?
55.
Yeah. Very good. So children, the answer is answer is 5, 5, 50. 5, 5, 5, 50. 5. Okay, those who have completed, please check your answers. Okay, children, I hope you all have finished writing till now, and this is all for today. Please share your classwork and homework with me. Okay? Yes, children. So now, bye. Good afternoon, everyone. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.